Hi, we're Team MC Squared. The new season is coming up, but we need your help.
The support you gave us last season helped us get third place in the Razorback International competition.
Working with and making a positive impact on our community was one of the best parts of participating with First LEGO League.
Our project this year is related to sustainable energy.
Check out the FLL teaser trailer and comment down below what you think your home or community needs to go green.